This 5-minute solution will show you how to add action buttons to Instagram profile. Follow these easy steps to add an action button to your profile. First of all, go to your Instagram profile page and then tap on Edit Profile. And here, under Public Business Information section, tap on Action Buttons. And now select a button from this available list. So I'm going to selecting here book now, order food, and just set up your button. If you want to add order now action button to your profile, then here you have to select your partner and set up your account, and the action button will be added to your profile page. Now let's add a reserve button, and the same way here you have to select your partner. Just go ahead and set up your account, and now I'm going to add this learn more button, action button to my profile. And here I'm selecting standard form and choose a button for your profile. I'm selecting learn more and tapping on done, going back from here, and as you can see, the action button learn more has been added to my profile. So this is how we can add an action button to Instagram profile. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.